Okay. If you're not just going to do an assignment where students answer questions or whether they write maybe an essay or something, I always, not always, but a lot of the times I use Google Classroom in conjunction with a Google Slides presentation. And I find that I get the best results if I create a template that students then fill in. At least for 6th grade students. You may find it differently if you teach older students, but for 6th grade students, they need a template. So I'm going to create a template for a presentation that you all can do as one of your assignments, okay? And so I've opened a new untitled presentation. I'll pick a theme, and then I'll show you what I mean by making a template. Let's just go with this one, okay? So I'll put in here Google Classroom training, and then I'll put name here. Alright, so I would assume that they probably wouldn't change this title, but they would put their name. Alright, and then for a new slide, what did we learn first? Oh, we learned how to create a class. So alright, and if I want them to add bullet points, I would actually give them some bullet points so that they can add a couple of things. They know then that I'm expecting 2 bullet points, and they'll ask, do I have to put 2 bullets? Yes. Okay, you can tell them that. Alright, and then what did we do next? We learned about creating an assignment. Okay. And let's give a bullet point or 2 about that. And then next we learned how students do work. Alright. Couple of bullets. And our last thing that we learned about was grading and managing students. Alright, and a couple of bullets. Alright, now something I will tell you. If you create these 4 slides, that's all they're going to do. If you want them to have a slide that explains what they learned, and then to add some pictures, then you better add it. Okay? If you expect them to go in there and add slides, they're not going to do it. They're going to do the bare minimum. So the more you can make your template look like what you want them to turn in, the better product you'll get. I can tell you that for sure. Alright, so let's give it a title, Google Classroom Training. So I'm going to now add this to your stream as an assignment, and you can, if you want to, go through here and do this for me.